Hi everyone, Jeff from PureTesla showing you today how to review footage on your Mac using your PureTesla USB drive. Simply insert the drive into your computer and the drive PureTesla or TeslaCam will show up in the upper right hand corner. You can click on it there and it will open the drive directly, showing you your TeslaCam folder, or you can enter it through the Finder window. On the left hand side you'll see the TeslaCam or PureTesla drive. Clicking it will then show the TeslaCam folder. It'll show up as either icons or list, and you can choose those between those two toggles right there. And then let's go into the recent clips folder. That'll show you approximate your last hour's worth of driving footage. Clicking on a file and tapping the space bar will open it in Quick Look, which will quickly open the file and allow you to scrub through the footage very quickly, which is extremely convenient. You can delete footage by right-clicking on it and moving it to trash. If you want to delete a range of footage, you can click on one file, hold shift, and click the last file. It'll select all of them. You can right click and click move to trash as well. One of the most important things to do is empty the trash bin with that drive connected before removing it so that it permanently deletes the footage. Now, the next thing you want to do is go back. You can look in your Sentry Clips folder, for instance. Within that, you'll see groups of folders organized by time. Now remember, this is in universal time code, so you'll need to know your offset to know the specific time that these things are happening. You can go through it just like we did for recent clips, using that scrubber bar to move back and forth in that minute's worth of time. And again, if you want to open it in QuickTime, you're welcome to do that. Just double click on the file and it'll open it in QuickTime. You can then share from there to mail, AirDrop. You can add it to your photos, etc. Close the QuickTime player when you're done looking at that, and then it takes you back to the main page. You can delete an entire event by right-clicking on the folder and clicking Move to Trash, or if you want to save the event, just create a new folder on your desktop, name it whatever you want to name it, Saved Sentry for this one in particular, and then you can drag the entire folder over to your desktop. It makes a copy of it onto your desktop. It'll remain on the flash drive. You can see the progress of it copying over here. And when you're done and that copying is complete, you can simply go back to that flash drive, the TeslaCam or PureTesla drive, depending on how it was named, and it will allow you to then delete that footage if you want to. Right click on the folder, click Move to Trash, and then ultimately you can delete it permanently by emptying the trash. It'll prompt you and you can acknowledge that that's what you want to do. Going back to the main screen, if you want to delete an entire folder's worth of information, you're welcome to do so. Right-click on the folder, click Move to Trash, and the car will automatically recreate that folder when you go back to use it in the Tesla. The main thing before ejecting the drive is make sure you've emptied the trash, use the eject button on the drive, and you're good to go. If you have any questions about reviewing footage on your Mac, either rewatch this video or reach out to us at puretesla.com/help.